of their minds, generating their knowledge. My name is Vakisha. I study in 11th K for grade 5. Today we're going to learn about the United Nations, Part 4. In the previous video, we learned about the General Assembly. In this video, we're going to learn about the Secretariat. The Secretariat supervises or administrators the functioning of the UN. It is responsible for its day-to-day functions. It maintains records and files and provides materials which are required by the other UN bodies for other meetings. It is headed by the Secretary General who is appointed for 5 years. There are 6 official languages of the UN and they are English, Chinese, Arabic, French, Russian and Spanish. The headquarters of the UN is located in the New York City. The Economy and Social Council. The Economy and Social Council is responsible for promoting social and economic development across the world. It tries to resolve problems related to illiteracy, poverty, and famine. The Council has 54 members who are elected by the General Assembly for 3 years. Here is an image of the Secretary Council, headquarters of the UN. Thank you for learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Wait for part 5.